Hey, hi YouTube, Mr. Who's the Boss here, and in this video we're going to be having a look at the Displex Touchscreen Sealer. Now this product actually claims to be able to remove scratches from your touchscreen devices. So on top of this, the Displex Touchscreen Sealer also actually claims to be able to prevent future fingerprints on your device, making your device effectively fingerprint free. So before I start, let's just have a very quick look about what's inside. So as you can see, very simple packaging, just tells you what it does, upside down of course. And now let's just open it up. Not too bothered about preserving the packaging with something this cheap. So literally pretty much just a tube and an instruction manual. So we're going to test this product on an iPhone 4S, which is, a fairly old smartphone. As you can see, this one does actually have some sort of scratches on it, quite a lot of surface scratches, nothing too heavy, well except this one here is pretty heavy, but apart from that, generally speaking, quite light scratches. So we're just going to apply the paste, see if it makes a difference, and then conclude the video. Right, so I've never really done this before, so slightly experimental here. Oops. Shouldn't have done that. Right, let's go. So, as far as I'm aware, you just apply some onto the screen, like so. There we go. Using a microfiber cloth to gently rub it in. I really hope I'm doing this right, otherwise I could sort of wreck the phone, which is otherwise working. This really doesn't look right, but there we go. And now I leave that for 3 minutes. Right, okay, so roughly 3 minutes later, and this thing is looking a little bit weird and I'm slightly concerned. Looks like it's coming off. So it said to polish it off, so I'm assuming that sort of means push it into the cracks a little bit, give it a good rub. Something like this. Yeah. And that should do it. So after treatment, the screen does look noticeably shinier. Whether or not that's due to the sort of cream or just my sort of hard work, I'm not sure, but as you can actually hopefully see, it's almost immune to my fingerprints. I mean, it's definitely much better than before. My fingerprints do not seem to be showing up as much anymore, which is actually pretty cool, and I'd say it's probably worth buying this cream just for that. So yeah, it probably doesn't help to remove scratches, which did seem like a bit too much to ask for a $1.70 cream or whatever. But it does actually seem to reduce the fingerprints on your screen, so still pretty cool nonetheless. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.